Hello students, welcome back. Let us continue with chapter 15 probability. We'll take a look at solved example on page number 280 of your textbooks, which is question number 6. So the question reads, a tire manufacturing company kept a record of the distance covered before a tire needed to be repaired. The table shows the results of 1000 cases. So we have the total number of trials as 1000. And this is the table of the distance and frequency. We need to find the probability of the following. So let's read further. If you buy a tire of this company, what is the probability that it will need to be replaced before it has covered 4000 kilometers? Then if it will last for more than 9000 kilometers. And the third question is here, it will need to be replaced after it has covered somewhere between 4000 kilometers and 14,000 kilometers. So first of all, like I mentioned, we have the total number of trials as 1000. So let's see the first question. We need to find the probability that it will need to be replaced before it has covered 4000 kilometers. So this is going to be the probability of the total number of records less than 4000, because before it has covered 4000. So it will always be less than 4000 upon the total number of trials. So let's write down the solution for this and we will proceed further with the rest. So I'll say total number of trials is equal to 1000. Now the first one, probability of replacing before covering 4000 kilometers. This is going to be equal to frequency less than 4000 kilometers upon total number of trials, right? So what is the frequency of the records less than 4000? It is 20. So this is going to be 20 upon 1000. So 0 and 0, and you get 2 upon 100, which is 0.02. We need to get rid of these two zeros in the denominator. So we shift towards the left in the numerator by 2 decimal places. So this is your first answer. Let's proceed with the second one. Okay. Now we need to find that it will last more than 9000 kilometers. So more than 9000 will be, see, this is until 9000. We need more than 9000. We have until 9001 to 14,000 and more than 14,000. So both of these categories will be counted as more than 9000. So we are going to add these two frequencies and divide it by the total number of trials to find the solution to this. So let's proceed. I'll say frequency more than 9000 is equal to frequency of 9001 kilometers to 14,000 kilometers plus frequency more than 14,000 kilometers, right? So this is going to be equal to 325 plus 445. So let's add these numbers, 325 and 445. So I get 0, 7 and 7. So 770. Therefore, the probability of frequency more than 9000 is going to be 770 divided by the total number of trials, which is 1000. So let's find the solution to this. So probability of replacing before, replacing after 9000 kilometers is equal to frequency more than 9000 kilometers divided by total number of trials. So we have 770 upon 1000. So 0 and 0 cancel out and we have 77 divided by 100. So this is going to be 0.77. This is your solution to the second one. Similarly, let's go ahead and find the solution to the third sub-question. It will need to be replaced after it has covered somewhere between 4,000 kilometers and 14,000. So this means it should lie, the value of the frequency should lie between 4,000 and, so it should be more than 4,000 and less than 14,000. Between 4,000 and 14,000. So let's see the category. It will be these two categories, right? More than 4,000 and less than 14,000. So we're going to add this to find the frequency and divide the sum by the total, which is 1,000. So let's find the solution. I'm going to erase this section. So just drawing a curly line over here to differentiate the three subsections. Frequency between 4,000 kilometers and 14,000 kilometers is equal to frequency greater than 4,000 kilometers plus frequency less than 14,000 kilometers. So this is going to be equal to 210 plus 325. When you add, you get 5, 4 and 6. So 645, let's just confirm, 325, 635, 535. Now we found the solution to the frequency. Let's go ahead and find the probability. So I'll say probability replacing between 4,000 kilometers and 14,000 kilometers is equal to frequency more than 4,000 frequency between, just one moment, we'll write this as it is. So frequency between 4,000 kilometers and 14,000 kilometers divided by total number of trials. So this is going to be equal to 535 divided by 1000. Now we need to get rid of these 3 zeros in the denominator. So we're going to shift towards the left in the numerator by 3 decimal places. So this is going to give you 0.535. So this is the solution to your third sub question. And I'm going to highlight it in a box. Now just note over here that we cannot really validate whether this sum is going to give you 1 or not. It's not going to give you 1 because we have found the probability for combinations and individual values. We've not found the probability for this plus this plus this plus this, right? We've not found them individually. So we can't really add them together and get a 1. So this is going to be a final solution, and in this case validation isn't really possible. Please take a look at the solution. Thank you for watching this video.
Hope this video increased your knowledge. For more such videos and a completely free educational content, log on to www.epathshala.org or visit our ePathshala YouTube channel. We have each and every question solved for maths, physics, chemistry and biology. So subscribe our channel, share with your friends, like our Facebook page and follow our Twitter handle for regular updates and important educational tips, and also win ePathshala goodies. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe this channel and enjoy the freedom of education.